everyone, I'm Sandra from the DisneyCarToys channel.
And Spidey Awesome.
Actually scared me. I didn't think you'd come out that way. Hey, little Alex, and today we are playing another water video. Here, this is Wethead. It's by Zing, who we haven't played a any games with them or anything like that. But this team is awesome. So it's basically what it's called, Wethead.
Yep.
You put a hat on. It's a game where you fill up the top with water. You pull a little stick, and then you could get a wet head. So you're
it's like you never know what you're gonna get. You could get splashed, or you could be dry.
Yeah, I think little Baddie or little Alex, he's gonna like that a lot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I've got the wet head on. It's like hard to balance it. But basically, we take turns spinning the spinner, so I have to spin it.
Oh.
And then, okay, pull one pin. Okay. I hope it doesn't go off on one. Okay. Okay, I'm good. Okay, Alex, you ready?
That is frightening.
You can get wet?
We don't know.
You're like the cutest in the little hat.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Okay, now you gotta spin it once.
Okay. Yep.
Oh, here was I. One pin. So pull one of those out. I might get wet if you get wet.
I know.
I'm just sitting close to you.
Okay.
Okay, we're good. Uh-oh, Spidey's turn.
I don't want to get wet on the first one.
You don't want to get wet on the first one, but yeah, we'll play maybe a couple of times. Maybe whoever wins gets a prize. Or
And
maybe
I'm
whoever
going to be
loses gets
so
a prize.
happy to see you when it says skip turn.
Oh yeah, skip turn.
That's what I want right now.
Yeah.
Give me a skip turn. No!
One pin. Okay.
Well, at least you don't have to get 2 pins.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
Okay, we're all safe. Round 1. Okay. Now let's go on to round 2 here. I like how you strap it in too. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna pull from back here.
That is awesome!
Take it up.
There's like so much water coming out of it.
Oh man, okay,
it's still dripping.
It's still dripping. Okay, let's refill. I want Alex to get wet.
He needs to get wet.
Okay, half of my hair is wet. It's going to get ugly.
You're gonna have to lay out in the sun to dry it out.
Yes, so now it's Alex's.
Oh man.
I hope you get a pick 2 or something.
Oh yeah, that'd be awesome. I forget there's 2.
Okay, go ahead, ready?
Go.
I heard one.
You gotta pull one out.
Pull it out. Okay, you're safe.
You're
safe.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Spidey's turn. This is fun, honestly. Even though I got wet, it's a good outdoor summer.
It's good
game.
if it's nice and warm outside. You kind of want to get cooled off.
Yes.
Like
Oh wait. It's like right in between.
Right on reverse and pull to spin.
Okay, just do it again. I didn't know there was a reverse.
Okay, I don't know what that means either.
Okay. Just say it again. Keep getting on the. Okay. Pull one.
No. I like the other ones better.
Okay, pull it.
Ooh.
Okay, you're safe. Okay, if I get it again, remember when we got pie face? We did that.
Oh, you lost like 5 times in a row.
5 times in a row. It was awful. Okay.
Oh, it was so funny.
Hopefully not. 1. Okay.
Oh man. Okay.
Okay, we're good. Because last time I was like, I'm good, and then I was like, no, I'm not.
And you're like, oh, it's coming.
Okay, Alex.
Okay. Hopefully you get wet. I hope you get 2 pins.
Okay.
There we go.
It's like kind of spilling out a little bit. Like,
ooh. There we go.
You're good? Okay.
Okay. Yep. Spin this.
Here, I'll hold it for you. Okay. Woo. Okay. One pin.
Okay.
Oh, you're good.
You're good?
Safe.
All right, it's my turn now. Woo!
Okay.
Oh yeah, I've got like.
You go spin it. Okay, wait.
What is that one?
One pin and spin again.
No!
Okay, pull one.
Okay.
Okay, you're good.
I'm good.
Okay, spin again.
Skip turn.
One.
I'm gonna get wet. I'm totally gonna get wet. I don't even know which one to pull.
What?
No way.
See, there's only 2 pins left, and now it's my turn.
Oh.
Okay.
I think you're getting wet again.
I know. It's this pull one. Okay, wait.
It's either what 50-50
okay,
right now.
I guess I gotta strap it in because I'm totally gonna get wet.
You're gonna get wet, huh? No. all wet now, like everywhere.
Everywhere. Why? Okay.
First, half of your hair gets wet.
No, all of it. No.
That is hilarious.
Okay, you guys gotta like this video.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's another
let's do
pie face situation.
Another round.
Yeah.
Okay, so now Alex's turn.
Oh.
I hope somebody besides me gets wet here.
Right? I know, we gotta like mix it. I hope Alex gets wet.
Okay, there we go. Okay.
I hope I get, wait.
Okay,
Oh,
there
wait.
we go. What do you get?
Pull one
and then spin
Good
again. Okay.
Oh, you gotta pull.
Ow! That's my face, man.
It's gonna like stab in the face. Okay, oh, pull one pin.
Okay, then wait, you spun again. Pull
Yep.
one again. Okay,
Okay.
I'm gonna back up this
Are you-
time. Okay, you're good.
Good? Okay, no water spilling out.
Okay,
so.
Spidey turn.
Okay. Woo.
Somebody besides me, please.
It's somebody besides me.
Okay. what's
Skip a
that
turn!
Skip a turn.
Yes!
No.
Today's my lucky day.
Okay, I like.
So is mine.
I'm so afraid. This stinks. Wet head is terrible. One pin.
Oh god. Okay, I don't see any water dripping out.
No, okay.
You're like,
Pass
pass it on.
This is a good way to share headlights, by the way.
Oh yeah. Don't do that if you have that. One pin. Okay. No.
You're good?
Oh, you got lucky.
Okay, lucky boy.
I hope it's someone besides me.
Yeah, I hope so too.
Oh yeah.
This is like the odds are ever not in my favor.
The odds are so in my favor.
Yeah, so are mine.
Okay. Skip it!
Come on, Alex.
Okay. Okay.
That's awesome. Okay.
Okay. Pull
pin.
one. Pull
Okay,
one pin.
Pull one pin.
Oh,
Is it
he's
doing it?
good. He's good. Only 3 pins left. How is this like? How is this possible?
How is this possible? Come on.
Okay, I think it's Spidey's turn to get wet.
No. Pull a pin.
Pull a pin.
I don't know which one though. Oh wait!
So much water! Holy cow!
Oh, it's stuck in my glasses.
Uh-oh. Wet head. Yay! Oh. Should we try one? You know what we should do is just have little Alex get wet.
Yeah, let's just pour water on.
Yes, let's get wet. Let's get Alex wet. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so what we're going to do is put this on little Alex. Since he never got wet, since he's the most lucky one. By the way, you win.
Yeah.
This is good enough.
Yeah, and the winner gets to get wet.
Yeah, the winner gets to get wet. Okay, here we go. Okay, so Spidey and I will take turns pulling pins.
Okay.
So 1,
1, 2,
2, 3, 4. It's all over your pants.
Oh, he's so wet.
I'm sorry, buddy. Hey, but since Alex was a brave guy for you, brave little guy. Okay, you gotta like this video since Alex was brave and very cute. And subscribe to the DisneyCarToys channel. In the comments, let us know who you would like to see get wet.
Click on a picture to watch another fun toy video and click on the question mark to watch a mystery video.